Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Fitriana, and today in this midterm exam, I want to explain about the material in previous meeting. And now I are ready to show you my main mapping in this paper. You can see. And so let's start explain about it. Talking about the social linguistic. Why we have to learn about the social linguistic? Because social linguistic is the study of language in relation to society. In the social linguistic, there are outline and important to learning. What about it? The first, contextualization and exemplification. And the second, the scope of social linguistic. And so, let's start to define what the meaning for the context. In the contextualization, there are some social factors and the effect in our language in the use. What is the first? The social background. For the example, you can find it in education, in social class, and ethnic group, and many other. The second, the relationship between speaker and receiver. For the example, you can talking about anything with your friends, with your family, with your employer, and many other. And the third, the context and manner of interaction. Now we talking about the scope of sociolinguistic. In the scope of sociolinguistic, we have to find the three important to learning. What about it? The first, language, society, and identity. So, why we have to learning about language in relation to society? Because language and society are interrelated, and we can speak about the one without the other. So, language and society is very important to learn. And the last, language is identity. Why I say that? Because the language, the people know where you from and where you live. For the example, I'm from Sulawesi. In my hometown, in general, the people use my dialect from Sulawesi. So if I talking with my friend in Jakarta, they know where I am from because my dialect, my accent is different. So that's why I say language is identity. The conclusion, sociolinguistic is very important to study language in relation to society because there is strong relationship between them and they cannot to be separated. So I think that's enough. I'm sorry if many wrong, and thank you so much, sir. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.